What's something people don't know about those pesky Office product keys? Sometimes the fix is way easier than you think. Let's break it down step by step. First, double-check if you've already used your key. Log in at accountmicrosoft.com services. Your Office might be waiting for you there. Bought your key from a store? Make sure the retailer actually activated it. If not, give them a call. Using a key from another country? That can cause issues. Reach out to Microsoft support if there's a region mismatch. If the key is from a sketchy seller, it may be blocked. Get a refund and stick with trusted sources. Now for some quick troubleshooting, carefully re-enter the key. No typos, no extra spaces. Update Office to the latest version. Check your internet. Activation needs a solid connection. Run Office as administrator. Turn off your firewall or antivirus briefly to see if they're blocking activation. And run the Office Activation Troubleshooter. It's built right in. Quick recap. Check your account, verify your key, and try these simple steps. Still stuck? Visit Microsoft support for help. Like and subscribe for more easy Office tips.